Hey friends, welcome to World Expo YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel if you're not yet subscribed. Sri Karyasidhi Hanuman Temple is one of the most popular religious places in Mysore. Consecrated to mark the 70th birthday of the illustrious founder of the temple, His Holiness Sri Ganapathy Sachchidananda Swamiji in 2012, the 70 feet high Hanuman statue has many services for devotees. During the construction, further renovation, many campaigns were conducted by His Holiness Sri Swamiji, bringing many world records in the realm of devotion, which include largest gathering of devotees reciting Hanuman Chalisa at a single venue in continuous chanting. Devotees offer various services to Hanuman, which are carried out by the gifted archakas pandits of the temple. Purna Phala Samarpana is one of the very popular services, apart from Archana, Alankara, Pavamana Homer and Menu Sukta Anushtanam. After the monumental Rajasthan Jaisalmer stone temple construction, this is one of the most enchanting Hanuman temples in this part of the country. Hanuman Chalisa 3D show adding technology to the marvel. 3D digital mapping synchronizing with the Hanuman Chalisa audio on weekends is an added attraction. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.